This German craftsman just ruined a perfectly good piece of wood. Or did he? What you're witnessing is actually the first step in creating a luxury solid wood table that can stretch over 300 centimeters long and even reach up to 600 centimeters in some cases. This level of luxury and craftsmanship can cost more than most people's cars. This is the crucial first stage in crafting a large solid wood tabletop. The craftsman carefully selects each raw plank, assessing grain pattern, color, and structural integrity. For a table exceeding 300 centimeters in length, this step is especially important to ensure long-term stability and a harmonious appearance across the entire surface. Each cut, each measurement, each decision builds towards something extraordinary. What started as rough timber becomes a masterpiece of German engineering and artistry. This is why handcrafted furniture commands premium prices. It's not just furniture. It's 4 generations of family craftsmanship turned into functional art.